I would like to plant some fruit trees along my back property line. My house backs to a pond which occasionally hosts a beaver. What can I do to keep the beaver from feasting on my trees? And this is Robert from Elkton, Maryland.
Yes.
So, Robert, I think Joellen knows a little bit about beaver damage, right?
Lots of beaver damage, yes.
All right.
We have a couple of ponds, and the beavers were coming out and chewing on all the trees that were against it. So I said, oh no, what do I do? So I went on the state wildlife website and found out when they have trouble with beavers in their area, they put orange construction plastic tape around the base of the trees.
Yeah.
And I thought, well, that would be a good idea. And then I realized on my property, I didn't want to see orange construction tape everywhere. So I changed it to plastic, green or silver chicken wire. It's plastic. And so you put it loosely around the base of the tree, and it's worked for over 20 years, keeping the beavers from eating my trees.
And it worked.
It worked, yes.
Because they can cause a lot of damage, as you well know. They can cause flooding, to your timber, to some of your agronomic fields and things like that, to your landscape. So, yeah, it's gonna be tough.
It is.
All right, but yeah, I think that's interesting though, using that. Okay.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.